Curb appeal plays a major role in how a home is perceived, whether you're welcoming guests or thinking about long-term value. One of the most effective ways to refresh the exterior of a home is by upgrading the front door. A replacement door instantly draws attention, sets the tone for the home's style, and improves functionality at the same time. For homeowners in Rockford, choosing a stylish replacement door can dramatically elevate curb appeal without requiring a full exterior renovation. Make a strong first impression with modern door designs. The front door is often the focal point of a home's exterior. Outdated or worn doors can make even a well-maintained home look tired. Modern replacement doors feature clean lines, updated panel designs, and contemporary finishes that instantly refresh the exterior. Rockford homeowners often gravitate toward doors with simple profiles and bold accents that create a welcoming yet polished look. Add character with statement colors. Color is one of the easiest ways to boost curb appeal. Replacement doors are available in a wide range of colors, from classic neutrals to bold statement hues. A darker shade can create contrast, while a bright color can add personality and charm. In Rockford neighborhoods, a thoughtfully chosen door color helps the home stand out while still complementing siding, trim, and landscaping. Elevate style with glass accents. Glass inserts are a popular design feature for replacement doors. Frosted, textured, or decorative glass adds elegance and visual interest while allowing natural light into the entryway. For Rockford homeowners, glass-accented doors create a welcoming appearance without compromising privacy or security. Enhance traditional homes with timeless designs. Not every home calls for a modern look. Traditional replacement doors with classic paneling, arched tops, or subtle detailing can enhance the charm of older homes. In Rockford, these timeless designs blend beautifully with established neighborhoods and architectural styles, preserving character while improving appearance. Upgrade hardware. For a polished finished door, hardware plays a surprisingly important role in curb appeal. Sleek handles, upgraded locks, and coordinating finishes can elevate the entire entryway. Rockford homeowners often find that pairing a new door with modern hardware creates a cohesive, high-end look that feels intentional and refined. Choose materials that combine style and durability. Replacement doors are available in materials designed to look great while standing up to daily use. Durable materials maintain their appearance over time and resist wear. For Rockford homeowners, choosing a door that balances style and durability ensures long-lasting curb appeal. Improved lighting and surrounding details. A replacement door works best when paired with thoughtful entryway details. Updated lighting fixtures, clean trim, and well-maintained steps or walkways enhance the overall look. In Rockford homes, these small upgrades amplify the impact of a stylish new door. Boost home value with visual upgrades. Curb appeal directly influences perceived home value. A stylish replacement door signals care, quality, and modern updates to visitors and potential buyers alike. For Rockford homeowners, this simple upgrade can deliver a strong return by improving both appearance and functionality. Professional installation makes the look complete. A door that fits poorly or sits unevenly can detract from even the best design. Professional installation ensures the door is properly aligned, sealed, and finished. In Rockford, professional installation helps replacement doors look and perform their best from day one. A simple upgrade with big impact. Boosting curb appeal doesn't require a major renovation. A stylish replacement door can transform a home's exterior, enhance security, and improve energy efficiency all at once. For Rockford homeowners, investing in a thoughtfully designed replacement door is a smart, impactful way to elevate the look and feel of their home for years to come.